Hello everyone, my name is Juan Arias. I'm the federally recognized tribal extension agent in San Carlos Apache Tribe. Today I'm going to highlight some of the programs we have to offer within our community. San Carlos Frontier programs offer several opportunities for community members to learn topics in equine livestock addressing community needs. This may include horse management, vaccination, body score conditioning, record keeping, business plan management, and beef quality assurance. Programs are provided locally, partnering with extension specialists, agents, and other staff to address needs outside of our expertise. Because of our relationships and funding opportunities, we were able to provide resources and opportunities to learn what community members were looking for. This included reestablishing the use of an all-star ring for workshops, developing an Apache resource guide that included equine livestock extension articles for relevant to the community. And we were able to translate a biosecurity poster in Apache for them to use within the community. This is all through our partnerships and relationships. Because of our relationships and partnerships, we are excited to see our equine livestock workshops expand and hopefully expand within the youth to grow the interest in agriculture and natural resources. In addition to equine livestock workshops and trainings, we also offer 4 youth development programs, which include gardening that has been established over 7 years with the same partners educating the youth in nutrition, basic planting, harvesting, and traditional planting. This includes 4-H shooting sports, STEM, agricultural career exploration, and healthy living topics. In addition to that, we try to include the youth at an early age so they can learn about their land and reconnect to the land at an early age. Continuing gardening efforts within our community, we've been able to establish a partnership with a nonprofit NDC using 80 acres of land to do garden demonstration, which include greenhouse, hoop house, and traditional planting, seed saving, planting of plants that have been known to the community, such as the Apache giant squash in this picture. In this picture, you see the small one, but if you go to the next picture, we see the giant here. And usually the community members do not eat the squash at this size, but they use the seeds to save for next year and also eat the flesh for soups. In addition to traditional planting, we also have been encouraging community members to plant Apache red sugarcane and use traditional methods of planting that include squash, beans, and sugarcane. And if sugarcane is not available, we encourage corn. In addition to our community garden efforts, we've been able to reignite our efforts of partnerships by providing food relief programs within the community. We've been able to partner with NDC nonprofit and also the Tribal Relief Program to provide several boxes of food within the community. And this has ignited our effort to provide resources in the community, not just food, but also resources guides that include planting and other resources that community members are in need of. It's been a great opportunity for us to increase our gardening interest, and we hope to see this expand within our community. I just want to give a special thanks to our partners, NDC Life Center, nonprofit extension partners, and tribal community entities and leaders.